Thank you for tuning in. My name is Levi Topisia, and today we are going to discuss why vaginal dryness happen despite you not having infection. Vaginal dryness is a situation whereby you have pain during penetration due to the vaginal dryness. There is no secretion in the vagina to facilitate lubrication. Thereby, when you have low lubrication or low fluid secretion in the vagina, it will lead to painful sex. And today, we are going to discuss several factors that can lead to vaginal dryness. And number one, we have low estrogen level. When you have low estrogen level, this will lead to vaginal dryness. So when you have low estrogen, there will be no signals to tell the brain that there is a sexual act that is almost going to take place. Therefore, there will be no estrogen enhancing or communicating with the vaginal walls to secrete lubricants which are necessary for sexual enjoyment. Another thing is dehydration. When you are dehydrated in the body, there is not enough water or there is not enough fluids. In fact, those fluids that are in the vagina contain some components, e.g. water. When you are dehydrated, you have low water in the body. The body has not enough water to support a secretion of the lubricants necessary for lubrication, leading to vaginal dryness. Another thing is stress, anxiety, or depression. If you have stress, anxiety, or depression, this can affect the secretion of fluids in the body, the secretion of the lubricant necessary for vaginal lubrication. When you have stress, the body will not even secrete some of the hormones necessary for the secretion of the mucoid or the lubricant in the vagina. Another thing that causes vaginal dryness is lack of sexual arousal. When you don't have sexual arousal, you will experience vaginal dryness. You have to be stimulated. When you are stimulated in the brain, now the body communicates that a sexual act is almost going to take place. And this enhances the secretion of fluids or mucoid substances that are necessary for lubrication. And when you are not sexually aroused, this will lead to vaginal dryness. Another thing is use of harsh soap. In a situation whereby you are using chemicals or some soaps that are hard, when those soaps are exposed to your genitalia, they can lead to dryness. They can absorb, maybe they have sodium and so forth. They can absorb the fluids, or maybe they are a low concentration or a high concentration environment, and this can lead to dispersion of fluids in the vagina, leading to dryness. Another thing is hormonal contraceptive. If you are using hormonal contraceptives, this can be hormones of so many sorts. We have the implants, we have the Depo-Provera or the injectables. We have also progesterone only hormones. So this can lead to imbalance in the hormones in the body, causing vaginal dryness. Therefore, if you are experiencing vaginal dryness, you can weigh out and see if you are using those contraceptives. They can be a key cause of your vaginal dryness. Another thing is nutritional deficiency. If you have low nutrients in the body, this can lead to low secretion of fluids. When there is low secretion of fluids due to nutrition deficiency, this can lead to vaginal dryness. What can you do if you are experiencing vaginal dryness? If you are experiencing vaginal dryness, the first thing you can do, you need to take plenty of water. You need to examine yourself if you are using any hard soaps that can be harmful to your body. You need also to assess yourself and see if you are using hormonal contraceptives that are causing you an imbalance in the hormone. This can happen when you have irregular menses or even lack of sexual desire and so forth. In case this scenario continues for more than 2 weeks, you need to see a clinical doctor or a physician or a gynecologist for further management for a better tomorrow. Vaginal dryness is not the end of everything. It is a treatable cause as long as your hormones are balanced and any other pathological deficiency in the body is corrected. Your vaginal dryness will end. Thank you for tuning up to this far. If you have gotten anything from this presentation, kindly don't forget to comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. May God bless you.